What's good, y'all? I know it's been about maybe a week, 2 weeks since I actually made a video, uploaded a video. But as you can see, this is the reason why I really can't do nothing. And as you know me, I'm on the way to the gym now. I'm about to get a little workout in, and I'm probably really just gonna start ordering stuff since I'm stuck in the house. So I don't know if my video of me driving to the gym got cut off, but yeah, so that's pretty much what I've been dealing with. No content to make for y'all. The garage, as you see, is still not complete, but I just been spending time and playing with the kids because they've been out of school for over a week now, and they got their friends here. So that's pretty much what's been going on with me. As you see, got my bad boy back. Nothing has been done to it, but it was never really a major problem. I was just trying to get the power steering pump and the starter. Other than that, there was nothing really wrong with it, so I had to go pick it up. I got the Camry at the other guy's shop where my truck was at, and this car is still parked. I still got the other car at his house also, but this is how deep the snow was. And I can't even say snow because, as you see, I'm over 200 pounds and can't even get through it, so it's crazy. I actually had call out the first day of snow. I believe it started snowing Saturday and Sunday. I had to go back Monday. I couldn't even make it out Monday because that all-wheel drive vehicle right there got stuck literally right there in front of that house. As soon as I came out, the car started going sideways and went straight down the bank right by the light pole. So that's been the delay in the content. And the snow was like nationwide, so shipping is going to be delayed, but hopefully I can get the floors in here soon and we can pick up the content and finish that next video. And another must that I have to do is finish getting this filled up because my daughter's friends just came in. They wanted to look at the car, so I popped the hood, showed them the lights. Of course, the kids love lights. And a freaking bird must have flew under the car and built a nest right there. I just vacuumed it out, so that's crazy. Definitely got to get that gapped in. Definitely got to get that filled in. And she's supposed to be bringing me my darn key so we can warm this car up. I don't know what she doing.
1 week later.
Do y'all really see this? This is 2 weeks, and then we get more snow today. Mind you, I'm just getting off work, but still, this is the reason why posts are getting delayed. This is the reason why it's been hard to make any type of content. This is what I'm going through right now. Alright, I apologize to y'all. I know I look a mess, but I get 3 teeth pulled, so it's kind of swollen. I barely could talk. And everything I just showed you is still like that outside. It's mad snow. Can't really do anything. The kids almost missed 2 weeks of school because of it. I ended up calling out today because of my situation with my mouth. But yeah, January has been a crazy month so far. So my content ain't gonna be a little short or scarce for the next maybe month or two. Yeah, it's just been crazy stuff going on, one after another. So I don't know, y'all bear with me, but I'm not going nowhere. It's just content is not gonna be coming out as often for a little bit, but I gotta go because it's killing me to talk. This video is crazy short, so I apologize, but thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, like, comment, regardless of how long the content is. Until next time, I'm out.